Fear and self-doubt are often seen as negative emotions that hold us back, but they can actually serve important and beneficial purposes. When understood and managed properly, they can become powerful tools for growth, self-improvement, and success. From a spiritual perspective, fear and self-doubt are not just obstacles, but essential tools for personal and spiritual growth. Fear alerts us to potential dangers, helping us stay cautious and make smarter decisions. In situations of risk, whether physical, financial, or emotional, it pushes us to prepare thoroughly and think critically before acting. Fear can also be a strong motivator, driving us to overcome challenges. Many successful people have used fear of failure as fuel to work harder, learn more, and push beyond their perceived limits. While excessive self-doubt can be paralyzing, a healthy amount encourages self-reflection. It makes us question our abilities, not to undermine ourselves, but to ensure we are prepared. Self-doubt pushes us to seek feedback, improve our skills, and refine our ideas. It can also keep us humble, preventing overconfidence that might lead to poor decisions. Many of the greatest achievements come from those who doubted themselves, but used that doubt as motivation to prove themselves wrong. The key is to not let fear and self-doubt control us, but to use them as tools. Recognizing fear allows us to prepare and take calculated risks, while self-doubt encourages growth and self-improvement. By embracing self-doubt as a teacher, we become more open to wisdom, humility, and self-discovery. When we shift our perspective, fear and self-doubt can transform from barriers into stepping stones for success. In many spiritual traditions, facing our fears is a form of purification, stripping away ego and illusion to reveal our deeper essence. When we confront and transcend them, we become more resilient, self-aware, and spiritually evolved. Many spiritual awakenings begin with fear, doubt, or uncertainty. These emotions shake us out of complacency, urging us to seek deeper meaning. Rather than avoiding them, we can see them as signals that we are on the verge of a new level of consciousness. How to navigate fear and self-doubt? Meditation and prayer helps calm the mind and reconnect with divine guidance. Self-inquiry and journaling turns doubt into wisdom and clarity. Trust and surrender. Recognize that growth often requires discomfort. Faith in the journey. Believe that fear and doubt are stepping stones, not barriers. Don't forget, fear and self-doubt are not enemies. They are sacred challenges that lead us to wisdom, strength, and deeper connection with our true selves.